So when it comes to the AI/ML or the generative AI product, or we are implementing the generative AI concept on our existing application, we definitely need to take care about the security. So in AI, we have some principles. So in AI, there is a word that we call responsible AI. So responsible AI is nothing but a set of principles that will help us to design, develop, or whatever we do, deployment or any use case with the existing software, and it can be the safe, trustworthy, and the ethical way. Means whatever we are going to implement in our system, it can be the designing the system, development of the system, deployment, or the implementation of AI concept in our existing system. We have to take care about the safety. It should be trustworthy and it should be on the ethical way, right? So we need to see the principle whenever we are going to implement it in any of it. So in responsible AI, we have the different principles. So the principle is veracity and robustness, safety, privacy and security, explanatory, fairness, transparency, controllability, and the governance. What it means. So we will see one by one all of these and try to understand what is the responsible AI guiding principle. And then there is a few options in the AWS Bedrock. We also see that option. Okay. So first is the veracity and robustness. What it means, AI should give the correct and consistent response, and it should still work well even when the situation changes a bit. You might hear a word hallucination. So hallucination comes under this veracity and robustness. Means sometimes model generate the answer based on their previous experience. The answer can be, or most of the time, it is incorrect, or maybe the things that the AI is providing, it cannot exist, or it never exists. For an example, I was like real life example. I was working with one of the customer, okay, with the AWS related stuff. Customer has some requirement. I asked ChatGPT about it. ChatGPT said that the requirement it already exists and it can be implemented. But when I researched a little bit more over the official documentation of the AWS, then I got to know this is a proposal feature and which has not been implemented yet. In future, next 6 months, it can be implemented, but it is not working as of now. But ChatGPT was saying if you do this, you are able to perform such tasks. That means it chat gpt or the AI part is generating something which is not exist yet. Means they are hallucinating, the answer is inconsistent and the answer is incorrect. Means the things which is not implemented yet, chat gpt was saying it is implemented, and if you perform such operations, you are also able to implement it. So sometimes model is providing the incorrect answer. It can be generated by the model. The model is not trained on the data, but it generate by their own previous experience, previous set of questions. So this time we also have to take care about how we are controlling the hallucination. Okay. For an example, a voice assistant like Siri or Alexa should correctly understand the different action and the background noise. If someone with a strong Indian accent asks for a weather, it should still give the right answer. That's veracity. And if it still works properly, even the Wi-Fi connection is weak, that robustness. Robustness, we all know, like whenever we develop any system, we say about the system should be robust. Means even the condition is changed, even their prerequisite is a little bit changed, the system output should not be changed. Even it can be the poor network connectivity, or it can be the SQL queries is not very optimized. Still, they are providing the right set of information, right? So robustness is easy to understand. Versatility means the AI should give the correct answer. They should not generate their own and create the hallucination in term of the output generation. Second is safety. If you talk about safety, which is easy to understand, AI systems should not harm people or put them into the danger, right? So for example, suppose we are doing the self-driving car, the AI should know when to stop, when to implement the brake, or when they should stop their car, right? If there is anything comes in front of the car, that should they should stop the car, right? And safety is very important, right? In term of AI, you can take also an example. Suppose there is any machine which is running continuously. If they are going their temperature beyond a specific limit, that should automatically stop, so that the internal part it should be safe, or the surrounding people should be safe, rather than it can be blast or anything. So safety would be a very big factor when it comes to implementing the AI in any of the applications, right? So veracity and robustness would be the first principle. Second would be the safety. So safety is important. It should AI should be able to understand when it should do save the people in terms of their own self destroyment of the or the other people's destroyment. So AI system should not harm people or put them into the danger. Third principle is privacy and security. Obviously, when it means AI should protect people's personal data and keep it from being hacked or misused. So you always know we should not share the PII data, like personal information, identity information data, into the internet, or whenever they are asking, we should not provide it, right? Similarly, when we are building it, AI should be responsible for the privacy and security. And you see, whenever any application asking your personal information, there should be some disclaimer, or there should be some start point, right? So privacy and security means AI should protect people's personal data and keep it safe from the hacker or to being misused. Example, a health app that uses AI to suggest treatment based on your symptoms must keep your medical record safe. It should not leak your private health data to the advisor or the unauthorized people. Similarly, you are doing the bank transaction, you are doing the online shoppings. So whenever you are providing your transaction detail, like credit card detail, debit card detail, it should be safe. It should not like misused, or it is not like very weak system, so any can easily access into your system. And this is very important. PI data is everything. Even if you hear any organization is being hacked, their first thing they will take the people's information. So PI is very important, and privacy and security would be one of the most important points that everyone should take care about whenever they're building any application which requires people's PII data.